Anyways, let's get to that Libra, which is the 7th house. You know what I'm saying? Domain being around September 20th to around October 20th. And the symbol for them are the scales. We talk about balance, symmetry, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. These are your cardinal sign, air sign, initiator. You know, initiator meaning cardinal, putting stuff in action, starting something, putting it in motion, getting it going, okay? Now, air signs, this is your thinker, your communicator, these are social people. Air signs, you know what I'm saying, they like to talk. They finna talk. That's that Libra. You should probably listen to them because they got something to tell you. I'll tell you that much. They intellectual, clever, and curious. Of course, they curious because they some thinkers. Being an air sign, okay? So they are ruled by Venus, and Venus rules Friday. So you are more prone to experiencing or expressing the energies of relationships, love, creativity, money, women, and femininity on Fridays. This is that Venus energy. You know what I'm saying? Taurus is that Venus energy too. So we probably could click up and, you know what I'm saying, have some conversation. I'll be a good listener. You'll be a good talker. You know what I'm saying? We'll probably go good together. So just understanding that Venus has something to do with the feminine traits of life outside of money. I don't know how Venus just about that money. Yeah, we like the love, you like the relationship, femininity, but Venus like that money too, though. You know what I'm saying? It could be materialistic if you rule by Venus, but you know what I'm saying? That's all up to you. Anyways, the Libra is cooperative. You know what I'm saying? That's that balance, diplomatic, gracious. You know what I'm saying? Fair-minded. You gotta be fair. That's that balance. That's that symmetry, that understanding. They are social as air signs, indecisive. You know what I'm saying? Femininity. That's all I'm saying. Venus, Friday. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. Avoids confrontation. So these are, you know what I'm saying, the little softies a little bit, you know what I'm saying, holding grudges like you a water sign. What you holding a grudge for, you Libras? Self-pity, peaceful, and fair, you know what I'm saying? That's them scales, man. Balance, peaceful, fair. Likes partnership, balance. Likes balance and symmetry. You know what I'm saying? I could probably kick it with a Libra. You know what I'm saying? You an air sign, you a thinker, you ruled by Venus. You know what I'm saying? You about balance and partnership. I might, you know what I'm saying? Might have to go find me a Libra. You know what I'm saying? Go kick it with. But anyways, what do they like? They like partnership, balance, and symmetry, harmony. Because that's what balance is. Gentleness. So these peaceful people, you know what I'm saying? Gentleness, sharing, outdoors, okay? Y'all like sharing, like them Libras, something else, man. I like that. Dislikes being alone. That's their air sign. Air signs don't like being alone because they community oriented. They need somebody to talk to. Somebody talk to me. That's how them air signs be feeling. Okay, so let's get into this. They dislike violence. You know what I'm saying? They like peace. Why would they like violence? They dislike injustice, loudmouth, and conformity. It's crazy that you dislike loudmouths, Libra, because you're an air sign, and you know what I'm saying, your friends could be loudmouths, okay? Anyways, compatible with Aries and Sagittarius. I don't know how anybody compatible with Aries, man. They always trying to. We already went on Aries, though, so I ain't gonna go on y'all again. Y'all safe now. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't safe before, but y'all good. Y'all good, Aries. Don't worry about me.